So dear all, here so far we have seen about type of semiconductors, intrinsic semiconductor, extrinsic semiconductors, and so I hope that you people know about the intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor. Okay, so in this video we are going to calculate we are going to derive the carrier concentration for intrinsic semiconductor. And we know that intrinsic semiconductor is a pure semiconductor. Examples for intrinsic semiconductors are germanium, silicon, and we know that the valence electrons are 4. And in intrinsic semiconductor, both the charge carriers are electrons and holes. Now we are going to derive the carrier concentration in intrinsic semiconductor. Carrier concentration means we know that the electrons and holes both are the charge carriers in intrinsic semiconductor. So we are going to calculate how much of charges, the density of charges present in the valence band and conduction band. So we are going to derive derivation of charge carriers in intrinsic semiconductor. First we are going to calculate how much amount of electrons present in the conduction band. Then we are going to calculate how much amount of holes present in the valence band. Then we are going to add both of this so that we will get total amount of charge present in the intrinsic semiconductor. Okay, just see here you have a valence band. This is energy levels in the valence band, and you have a energy levels in the conduction band. It's minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity represents the lowest energy level of valence band, and this one is the highest. EV is the highest energy level of valence band. Minus infinity is lowest energy level of valence band, plus this EV, E suffix V, is highest energy level of valence band. And here C in conduction band, EC, E suffix C, is lowest energy level in conduction band, plus infinity is highest energy level in the conduction band. Okay, and Fermi energy level is in between the valence band and conduction band. So keep it in mind. This is valence band. Valence band consists of holes, and this one is conduction band. Conduction band consists of electrons. We are going to calculate number of holes in the valence band, and we are going to calculate number of electrons in the conduction band. We are going to add both this so that we will get number of charge carriers in the intrinsic semiconductor, and minus infinity is the lowest energy level in the valence band. EV is the highest energy level in the valence band, and here if you consider conduction band, E suffix C is lowest energy level in the conduction band, plus infinity is highest energy level in the conduction band. This y-axis represents energy, and this is Fermi energy level, which is in between the valence band and conduction band. Okay, so after calculating this number of holes and here number of electrons in conduction band, number of holes in the valence band, we are going to add both of this so that we will get total number of charge carriers in the intrinsic semiconductor. Okay, so this represents the energy band diagram of intrinsic semiconductor. Okay, now let us derive the carrier concentration in intrinsic semiconductor. We will see it in the next video.